Welcome to Go RV Van of the Week. Today we're looking at Wonder Roo's Star XX3. Let's go have a look inside. Well, the first thing that impressed me with the Star XX3 is just how well appointed the interior is. The Star XX3 has 3D designed CNC-cut furniture with interlocked frames for added strength, made with 15mm light wood plywood. Just looks magnificent. We've got a lithium-ready BM Pro battery management system and Odyssey control interface. I love the kitchen fit out. It's got a Swift grill, 3-gas burner and a 100-watt electric hot plate with 40-litre oven. You'll keep cool on those hot summer nights with the Horton 2400 low-profile air conditioner. We've got a queen bed up the front with these really handy pigeonholes on either side where you can charge your phones and store your books and things. The separate ensuite is huge. Look, we've got this huge laundry cupboard which is really handy. Beautiful big sink, and I love this separate shower. Classy looking 3-way Thetford fridge. Well, we've had a good look at the interior of the Star XX3. Let's go have a look at the exterior. We've got this huge tunnel boot. You could just about fit anything in there. Fishing rods, surfboards. We've got the DO35 coupling, one of the best hitches on the market. And you'll be able to handle Australia's harshest roads with the Cruisemaster XT suspension. It's got two 110-litre freshwater tanks with a galvanised protection shield. On top of the van, we've got two 210-watt solar panels. We have two 9-kilo gas bottles and this huge toolbox at the front, which is perfect for storage, a Weber or a generator. Well, that was a good look at Wonder Roo's Star XX3. What a magnificent looking van. I was so impressed. Look, if you want more information about this wonderful couples van, contact sales@wonderroo.com.au.